Can he tell Kenyans what he wants to do for this country? Talking about Raila's ill health. Who told him Raila's sick? I'm sure he can even be more sick than he imagines Raila can be. Who is it to run to whatever that hospital was called? Who is he who ran to Karen Hospital to pretend that he was sick when Raila was busy fighting for peace in this country? Gachagua must know that Raila is the glue that holds this country together. Without Raila, this country would not be as peaceful as it is today. Awacho ne koso kawacho. Omiya adwani wawach kagidoluo. He must respect Raila Amolo Odinga. Let him not talk about Raila. And if he thinks he can continue talking about Raila, we are out now. We shall deal with him perpendicularly. Ofuoko sokofuo. Ofuoko sokofuo. Atieko kawacho kama. Ung'eyo nyako ni. Osetiyo koso kotiyo. Fuane uru kama kuyege chege. Eke jogem man ka jogem ting na uru badu. Lingane. Jogem. Nyaru ni koro wuok ni dwani mondu yiere kaka mjube marito constituency achiel miluongo ni game. Osiko wawacho ni miyo eman gi kura. Osiko wawacho ni dhako kochiki tok wuondi mi jogem udhi miye koso kudhi miye. Umiye koso kumiye. Osetiyo maber koso pok otiyo maber. Aya fuana ne uru Christine kamae Christine. Achaka wacho kama. Uwinjo ni anyasi aya. Woi morito siaka en woi mwaluongo ni woi maslop, woi maratiglo. Woi mariek, woi mong'eyo tich. Orengo governor. Waduoke koso kwaduoke. Waduoke koso kwaduoke. Nyisa uru ka waduoko rengo koso kwaduoko rengo. Ero uru kamano Nyasaye mondo telu.